Hi and welcome to this tutorial to get you painting. In this session, we will create an atmospheric perspective landscape. As you can see in this reference photo that we will adapt, the tones decrease the further back they go. So in this video, we'll learn an introduction about painting with value. This task should take you about 30 minutes to complete. We will work a little smaller. About 12 to 15 centimeters square should be fine. I just used this square piece of paper to trace an outline. First, lightly sketch out the image we will paint. Pause the video to do this now. On our palette, we will need some black, ultramarine blue, burnt sienna, and white. Note we do not need large amounts of paint as the size is small. I'll be using a number 10 round brush, but a number 5 may serve you better. A flat brush is also possible. We're going to paint the foreground the darkest tone first and get lighter by adding white as we move back. Let's take some of our ultramarine blue and add it to the black, with a touch of burnt sienna. Mix it well. I'll just test out the color here on a blank area of my sketchbook. Begin painting this darkest area. Add a few bumps to represent the silhouette of trees. Take some care painting around the edges of the frame. Usually we could use tape here, but this peels the paper off of my sketchbook. Smoothen out your brushwork and see if an additional coat is needed in any areas. To get a lighter tone, I'm going to add a little more blue and some white. I will mix this well and test out the color again in comparison to the previous one. We'll now move on to painting the next area. Again, I'm going to smoothen my brushwork and see if any areas need a second coat. For the next section, we further add white and mix the paint well. Again, I'll test out the color on the blank area of my page. We'll repeat this same process for the remaining sections, continually adding white for a lighter value. I hope this has helped you develop some skills and techniques concerning the application of value to an artwork. Be sure to check out some of the other videos to continue building your skills. Painting takes time and practice. Don't give up. Lastly, just a shout out to Mark Daniel Nelson, as this activity was adapted from his book, Learn to Paint in Acrylics with 50 Small Paintings.